Ready? So this is a 1966 TR6SC. My father bought this brand new in 1966 when he worked for the Triumph shop here in Salt Lake. This is the way he'd set it up to race it. And this is the way he did race it. These are some earlier trophies. This is what the bike would look like from the factory stock in the showroom. This is another 66 TR6SC that he restored. This one he didn't buy new. This one he did.
What's different about it?
He liked the black paint. He put a cherry Annie front end on it. He shortened the rear end here on the frame, put a smaller fender, kicked it up a little bit for ground clearance, and then he made this air cleaner. It's a stainless steel air cleaner.
Cool.
And I can start this one up if you want.
Okay.
There we go. Ready?
Do a couple more revs because I have a different mic now.
Different revs. Points.